What's up, everybody? It's day 2 in Costa Rica. We woke up today and we got ready for the Tortuga Island boat tour. You know? Anyways, so yeah, we're getting ready to get picked up by the shuttle bus that's gonna come pick us up in the front, and you know, I will tune back in with you guys when we're on the boat. Where are we going?
We're gonna go to Tortuga Island. So in Tortuga Island, we're not gonna see turtles. What the shuttle bus driver said. He said that the turtles will come out in the rain season. I think at October.
Everybody, pull in.
It's gonna be just big space.
All right, so basically we're about to go snorkeling. We're gonna go on the banana boat. Aquí.
Uno de dos, escogí uno de dos. Al fondo hay consorcio, ¿quieres al frente?
Cheers.
Cheers, baby. Tortuga Island.
Alright, so basically
This is how
we're
the
on
sands look.
Tortuga Island, and you know, we just got back from snorkeling. Now we're just hanging out, enjoying a couple drinks. I got a margarita. Babe has
Some Costa Rican rum. I don't know what it's called, but it's Costa Rican.
pura vida.
Pura vida.
So basically, we're tuning back in. I told you that we will get back to you when we're on the boat. Now we're on Tortuga Island, and it's everything that I expected it to be. You know, it's very beautiful.
And they got on the red boat right here, and then they took us to this island. That one right there, and then we went snorkeling right over there. I think it was only like a 10-minute ride. And then the banana boat it's gonna be after lunch, I think.
Yeah. So.
But anyway, thank you for watching, and we will update you guys soon about our banana boat ride.
Yeah, we'll tune back in about, I think it's around lunchtime, which is, I think it's at noon. What time are we supposed to be at the phone?
11:50, 11:30. We also went to another one in Cartagena, Colombia, where it was on a speedboat. So
Yeah,
it was
a
less
different
people.
vibe.
Yeah, it was less people on the boat. And then
We paid
they
a
only
lot
offered
less, though, I think.
they only offered beer.
Yeah.
They didn't offer like mixed drinks like what we got going on. I think I already said what I had in my cup.
Yeah, we did.
But anyway, thank you for tuning in, and then we're gonna be
Doing the banana
boating
boat in a second.
soon.
Yeah, man. Oh shit. Alright, let's get a view of what's really going on.
He's gonna make a turn and we're gonna fall.
Hey. Yeah.
Okay.
What's bro about to do?
Oh no.
Oh,
I don't know that.
damn. Bro whipped us.
Oh my god. Oh my goodness. That GoPro is reliable.
We're still on cam.
I got salt all over my
I got it in my
ears
nose.
and my nose.
Look.
So exciting!
Oh shit, here we go. Here we go. Damn, bro. Oh boy.
Oh my god!
That wasn't as bad as the last one.
No, because I was prepared for this one. I knew when they were gonna make that turn.
Babe's got front view. Hey, we controlling it. It's tied to my wrist.
I'm helping your arm.
Look at bro.
Hey, there you go! That was crazy. More local.
First time with the GoPro in the water. I think it held up pretty good.
I want to do
Pretty
that
lit.
again. Oh my god.
Shit was lit, no? What up, man? Thank you, bro. Pura vida.